In today's lesson, let us recall the different types of solids that we have already looked at in the previous lessons. We have looked at cuboids, cubes, cylinders, cones, spheres, and pyramids. Let us look at the volume, lateral surface area, and total surface area of these different types of solids. A cuboid has a length, breadth, and height. The volume can be obtained by stacking the base h times. Since the base is a rectangle, the volume would be length times breadth times height. A cube is a special type of a cuboid with all its dimensions equal. So its volume would be a cube. The lateral surface area of a cuboid would be the four faces or four rectangles. Two faces would have area b times h, hence 2 times bh. The other two faces would have an area L times h, hence 2 times LH. Upon adding, we get 2 times BH plus LH. We can also take H common, so we get 2 times B plus L times H. For the total surface area, we would add two more faces to the lateral surface area, the top and the bottom, which is a rectangle with an area B times L. So we shall add 2 times BL to the lateral surface area. Now let us look at the lateral surface area of a cube. This is much simpler because all the faces are squares. Since there are 4 squares for lateral surface area, it shall be 4a square. For the total surface area, we shall add 2 more squares, the top and bottom. So 4a square plus 2a square would give us 6a square. Now a cylinder has a base in the shape of a circle. So for volume, we shall stack this base h times. So we would have pi r square times h. The lateral surface area would be a rectangle which we obtain by opening up the curved surface area of a cylinder. So 2 pi r, which is the length of this rectangle, times h. For the total surface area, we shall add the top and bottom faces of the cylinder. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We can take 2 pi r common and have h plus r in a bracket. Now let us look at a cone. A cone is obtained by rotating a right triangle along one of its shorter edges. It has a base with radius r, a vertical height h, and a slant height called L. The volume of a cone is 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder. So 1/3 times pi r square h. The lateral surface area of a cone is pi r L. For the total surface area, we would have to add the base circle to the lateral surface area. Hence, pi r L plus pi r square. We could take pi r common and have L plus r in a bracket. Let us look at a sphere. A sphere has a radius r. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 times pi r cube. The lateral surface area and total surface area of a sphere are the same, 4 pi r square. We also looked at a pyramid. A pyramid has a base in the shape of a polygon and a vertical height h. Now similar to a cone, the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times area of base times h. The lateral surface area would be the area of the 4 triangular faces. And the total surface area would also add the area of the base. Now let us take an example of a square base pyramid. The base would have a dimension a and the pyramid would have a vertical height h. Similar to a cone, a pyramid also has a slant height, let us call it h dash. Now the volume of a pyramid would be 1/3 times a square times h. A square is the area of the square base. The lateral surface area would be the area of the 4 triangular faces, or 4 times half of AH dash, which gives us 2AH dash. Now the total surface area, we would write the lateral surface area to AH dash and add the area of the base, or A square.